Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. We're going to go over just a quick little something to show you guys. Probably some of you know this, some of you might not, but basically on the Frontier here, when you go, you're driving along, everything's on, you park where you're getting, you hit the stop button, everything shuts down as it should. Only thing is, if you're listening to music or you got your phone on or whatever and it's through the radio, whether you want to listen to your song, maybe a good song's playing, or like I said, if you're talking to someone with the hands free, you push the stop button, it shuts down everything. So not only do you lose sound, but you lose connection to the truck and everything goes back to your phone. So people want to know, because I've had cars, there's other brands where when you hit the start stop button, the radio actually stays on until you open the door. When you open the door, then everything shuts off. Nissan's a little different. They have it set up in a way where everything shuts down. So if you want it to turn on, so if we fire the truck back up, you can see everything's going. Just pretend there's music playing or your phone's connected or whatever. Come down here, and when you turn it off, 2 pushes of the start stop button. Just like that. And now you can see the truck shuts off. But whatever you're listening to, whether it's your phone or music or whatever the case, it's going to stay on. Only thing, when you do this, now it's in like accessory mode. So when you push it, it's going to boot everything back up. And then when you push it again, now it's shut right down. So 2 taps of the button, just go slowly. If you go really quick, it's going to only pick up 1 and it's going to shut down the truck. And of course, if you go too slow, it's going to pick up 1 and it's going to shut down the truck. So just kind of normal speed, push, push. And whether you're on the phone or you got a good song playing or whatever, it's going to stay on and continue to play through the speakers of the truck.